Hi, this is Linda and Aaron with Flamingos in Wonderland. We are excited to be taking you inside a newly renovated room at the Wilderness Lodge Disney World. What do the new rooms look like? What is in the new rooms? What do I need to pack? We're going to show you everything so you can be prepared for your trip. All that and more coming right up. The Wilderness Lodge Hotel is one of our favorite Disney World resorts. We like the price, the location, and the theming. Today we're taking you in a king bed courtyard view room. Typically, rooms have 2 queen beds, some rooms have 1 queen and bunk beds, or you can get 2 queens and a fold out. In all rooms you can expect TV, double sink and vanity, mini fridge, coffee maker, dresser, table and chairs, and hairdryer. So we're going to take you in the room with us, and then stay tuned because after we're going to go over what we liked and didn't like about the newly refurbished rooms at the Wilderness Lodge. Okay, here we are in the Wilderness Lodge in room 6007. And let's go have a look in. And it's nice to have a look at the map on the back of the door here. Give you a lay of the land. Let that focus. So we're actually up on this top right side. Oh, sorry, there we go. I had a little hard time waking up today with this focus, maybe because my shadow. So top right hand side there you can see is us, and it's a bit of this jagged U. Let's give up on that. I'm sure Aaron in editing can maybe give us a better map. Here is our thermostat. You can adjust that. We were actually a little bit cool last night, which is rare for us. So on the right here, you've got a couple big cupboards. I like barn doors. And some extra blankets in there. And your bag, your luggage holder. So you can access from both sides. Oops. Yeah. And then next to that, we've got a bit more covered space. There is your handheld steamer, and here is your safe. Pretty big safe. Always make sure you check it at the end of your trip. You wouldn't want to forget anything in there. A couple big shelves down here. Right next to that is our little coffee station. Got yourself a Keurig and your ice bucket at the top. Little Bambi there. And in here is where your coffees, teas, and the water is. We did get here last night. It was very late. We had some delays, Air Canada, so on and so forth. And so, yes, if you do not approve of the bed making, I'll throw Aaron under the bus and say it was him. But we did want to tie it up to give you guys a look at the room as pretty much when you would arrive. So here is the bathroom area. You've got your twin sink. And they are trying to reduce the plastic, so the only thing you have here is the body lotion and the H2O. And some tissues, towels at the bottom, extra tissues and toilet paper. Oops, there's my hand. And your hair dryer. And going here, it's nice to have that section off so someone can be showering while other people are getting ready, which is nice. And the shower is big. It's pretty tall. Aaron didn't have an issue. You've got the detachable head as well as the rain head. So you can see here. And then they are also got these containers instead of having the disposable ones. Nice little bit of art on the wall. And then this is a cool light accenting. I was worried you would see through at night. We were at one hotel once and it had a stained glass on the wall, and you could see when you turn the light on it would reflect through almost like a window, stained glass window. But this isn't the case. You can have one side on, one side off. It almost works as like a little night light in this area. So very cool. All right. Let's get into the bedroom. You can see we've just stored our luggage here for now. You can put it under the bed. It is raised there. Lots of sitting space. You've got your table and chair here. And all of the furniture has got power and USB on it. So they've updated that. Little reading lights on the headboard. Pretty big chest of drawers here under the TV as well. And you can see on here alone, there's 4 power outlets and 4 USB. We always bring this USB just as a backup because we've got so much stuff charging, and then that's a portable pack we like to take with us. It's amazing how much phone power you go through when you're at the parks. And our little flamingo water bottle. Staying hydrated is key. A couple little tables here you can move around. Another comfortable chair. Give you a view back here. On this right hand side, you've got another big lounging chair. And then that on the wall, and he was saying it's just sticker detailing along that back wall there. So let's head outside. You can see the view. This is what's called the courtyard view. So we are looking right over the pool. The spa's just back there. There's the main building and the Whispering Canyon and Warren Fork. We'll actually be heading to the Whispering Canyon for breakfast soon, so if you're interested to know more about that, we will have a review coming for that. And actually on our last visit, we do have a resort tour, so if you're interested in more about the pool and all the amenities here, you can check that out as well. But so far, that's all your details about the room. I will send it to Linda and Aaron in the future to give you our final thoughts. So now you've had a chance to look at the room. What did we love about the room? The new faux laminate flooring gave the room a fresh, cleaner feeling over the old carpet. The good sized cabinet was great, and being able to store our bags under the bed freed up a lot of space in the room. Additionally, having a mini fridge in the room was a great convenience, as we could store snacks and food in there. Anybody who's traveled with me knows that you do not want me to get hangry. The size of the room was also impressive, giving us plenty of space to move around. The amount of the power outlets was a plus. We could charge all of our devices without any issues. The light pane replicating the geologic shapes was really nice and did give it a bit more of a special touch, linking it in with the Wilderness Lodge theming and the geological rocks that are in the main lobby. Lastly, the balcony with the 2 chairs is a great touch. We really enjoy being able to relax and enjoy the views while having our morning coffee or in the evening with some water. It's just nice being able to get outside. Clearly, it's winter in Canada and we don't get to do that very often. So on to what we didn't like. With the refurbishments that are happening, many of the hotels at Disney World have a similar layout to the rooms. There's a barn door, which don't get me wrong, I do love, and the coffee station. The difference comes down to the stickers or wallpaper and the furniture to make the rooms unique. When done well, it can be amazing, but I felt like it was a little phoned in with the Wilderness Lodge. I did prefer the unique touches of the older rooms. Before, it didn't feel like it was just stickers. There's a lot of competition for good hotels in Orlando, and I feel like Disney needs to keep the quality theming and magic up, or people are going to go elsewhere. That being said, overall, it was a really nice room. The resort is a lot of fun, and I would definitely go back. We hope that you found this room tour helpful and informative. Have you ever stayed at the Wilderness Lodge before? What do you think of the renovated rooms? Do you have a favorite Disney World resort? Let us know in the comments below. We love hearing your ideas and opinions. Also, we've got tons of Disney content, so be sure to check our channel out for all the tips and reviews. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch our video. It means a lot to us. Thanks again, and happy travels.